know, you and I know very well. I talk to people in
Mhm.
cyberspace. Some of them troll me. Some of them, you know,
Mhm.
disagree with me. And I see in them the makings of the Trump supporters in the US. Yung kahit alam na
Tama
nilang
ka.
nakasuhan
Mhm.
na okay lang
Mhm.
sa kanila. Itong mga to ganun din. Wala silang makitang pagkakamali sa nangyayari. You know, and these are, unfortunately, these are in the majority. And
Opo,
the Senate and Congress will always think of their political fortunes and the political futures. Actually, si Vice President Sara Duterte, magaling sa iwasan deflection.
Mhm.
Una, sinabi niya, kayo naman dyan ang mag-approve niyan, hindi ako. Kung may nahingi kami, kayo ang nagbabudget. Oh.
Mhm.
Deflection number 2, pagdating doon sa budget na ina-appropriate ng 125 million noong 2022, which is basically, technically is a violation of the Constitution and of jurisprudence. Ano ba sabi niya? Humingi naman ako sa presidente, binigyan ako. Ibig sabihin, ipinasa niya sa presidente ngayon, at totoo naman talaga. Ang presidente
Inamin naman ng
talaga
ES. Oh.
at inabihan ng executive secretary, which strangely is the same guy who wrote the ponensya for the decision that practically rendered unconstitutional that practice in 2014. Di ba?
Ano palagay mo?
Sige,
Anong
papuntahin
palagay
niyo
mo ang tinatatakot or pinangangamba, wag natin sabing natatakot, ng mga lawmakers if they were to not approve or itong hinihingi pondo ni VP Sara?
They're already projecting their chances in 2028 when Sara Duterte will be a front runner. They do not want to intimidate, they want to antagonize her.